Hello guys, welcome back to TechNTechie. In today's video, I'm gonna show you some basic commands of Linux and how to update and upgrade your Kali Linux. So now for that, we have to first open up the terminal. Click on the terminal icon at the taskbar. Here it is. Click on it and it will open up the terminal. Now before executing any commands, I'm gonna change the font size. So go to the session, click on preference. Click on Appearance tab and click on the Change button and click on up arrow or down arrow to increase or decrease the font size. I am going to set it to 12. That works for me. Click on OK. Click on Apply. As you can see now, my font size is changed. So when we open up the terminal, we are presented with these two names separated by this symbol. Now this symbol can be anything. It is just a separator which separates these two names. Now name on your left side is the username who is currently logged in. So type who am I command and press enter. So who am I? This command displays the currently logged in user. So the current logged in user is Sejal. It means Sejal is using the system. On your right side is the host name or your system name. Type host name command. Press enter. It displays the host name. Okay, so now we will type pwd. It stands for present working directory. So it displays your present working directory where you are in your file system. As you can see, Sejal is my directory name and home/Sejal is my present working directory. So the next command that I am going to type is date. Press enter. So date prints the current date and time. As you can see, this is the current date. I'm recording this video on this date and on this time. And we also have this $sign symbol, right? It also has a meaning. The $sign essentially represent the regular or normal users in Linux. There are two types of users, root users and regular users. This $sign represents the regular users. Now, let us understand what ls command means. ls command is known as listing command. It displays all the files and directories in your current working directory. So there are the files and directories which are shown by ls command. Now here are the directories in my current working directory, which is home. The blue color shows the directories and the white color shows the files. As for now, I have no files stored in it. That's why only directories are shown. Let us type lsp _release -r. This command in Linux is used to display Linux standard based information about your specific Linux distribution. This includes details such as the version number, release code name and distributor ID. So as you can see in the screen, this is the distributor ID, release code name and the version number. Now let us write lsp _release -a. This command shows the release version and gives a detailed description and operating system code name. This is the simplest way to quickly find what version of Kali you are running. Now let us clear the screen. Now the next command which we're gonna type is hostname_ctl. This command shows the host name, kernel version and CPU architecture. The next command is catcat/etc/os-release. This file command contains various information including OS version as well. The next command is cat/proc/version. This file command contains build information for the OS. Now let us clear the screen for now. Now let us check our history. It shows all the commands which we executed on our terminal. Here are some more basic file commands for you guys to use and learn when you will be executing all the commands on your OS. Okay, so now let us upgrade and update our Linux. To start, let's type sudo apt update. Press enter. Now type the password that you set up or created during the installation and let the update command complete. Now as you can see here, 729 packages can be upgraded. So we will let it finish. Now once update command is finishes, now we need to run the upgrade command. So now type sudo apt upgrade. The upgrade command is going to upgrade all the installed packages to their latest version. Press enter here. As you can see, download size is huge. So when you run the upgrade command for the first time, the download size is typically a big like this. So now here we have the prompt continue. Now type Y. Y is for yes. It will start downloading and updating the packages. So press enter. Don't interrupt this command. Let this command finish. Obviously it is going to take some time to download and update everything now here. Now the upgrade command is finally complete. As you can see, everything has been upgraded to the latest. Now we are good to go after upgrading your system. What you are going to do is now on the top right corner, click on this logout button. Then click on the restart button. Restart your Kali Linux. Let your Kali Linux start to apply changes. That's all you need to do now. We are good to go. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you understand whatever I taught in this video, and also I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe our channel and press that bell icon. Like it. Thank you so much.